On Monday, Chief Minister Champai Soren of Jharkhand successfully secured victory in the Assembly floor test, garnering support from a total of 47 coalition MLAs during the trust vote. In contrast, the opposition received 29 votes. Jharkhand Governor C.P. Radhakrishnan officially announced Champai Soren's triumph, prompting enthusiastic cheers within the Jharkhand Assembly. Following the announcement, the House adjourned for the day and is scheduled to reconvene on Tuesday. In the 81-member Jharkhand Legislative Assembly, where the majority mark stands at 41, Chief Minister Champai Soren faced a critical litmus test today. Prior to the decisive session, Soren expressed confidence in the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, stating that they had the backing of 47 MLAs, a number that could potentially increase to 50. In the special assembly session today, Chief Minister Champai Soren initiated the confidence motion and took aim at the BJP, accusing the Saffron Party of attempting to destabilize the duly elected state government. Soren also defended arrested former Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren, absolving him of any wrongdoing and asserting that he is being unfairly targeted for a crime he did not commit. Earlier in the day, after moving the confidence motion, Champai Soren claimed BJP is using central agencies to frame Hemant Soren in false cases. Additionally, he emphasized that his administration in Jharkhand is a continuation of the policies initiated during former Chief Minister Hemant Soren's tenure, referring to it as part 2 of his predecessor's governance. Hemant Soren, who is currently in the custody of the Enforcement Directorate in an alleged land scam, was also present for Monday's trust vote after a PMLA court permitted him to participate in the same. Speaking in the assembly, Hemant Soren slammed the BJP-led centre and challenged the Enforcement Directorate to prove his connection in the land scam. If it is proven, I will quit politics, the former Jharkhand Chief Minister added, in a bid to thwart alleged poaching attempts by the BJP. The MLAs returned to Ranchi on Sunday evening to partake in today's trust vote. Visuals flooding social media showed the MLAs being taken to the circuit house in Ranchi as they flashed victory signs from the bus.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.